YouTube. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you take the chance to hit that subscribe button. A lot of new content coming soon. But today, we are out here stunt riding on the upgraded MX650 72 volt. I'm gonna show you guys what this thing can really do. This thing's gonna be sick. I got some POV footage coming, so stay tuned. Also, a little side note here. I was having a lot of problems with just like the rear sprocket slipping out and stuff like that, and changed the sprocket, changed the tensioners, changed everything for weeks, just trying to figure out what it was, and then finally I figured out it was just the rear sprocket because it was just not gripping all the way it should, so that's why I was making like a weird clinking kind of noise. So if you guys hear it like kind of slipping or making like a clinking kind of noise, sometimes it's not like the chain or like the chain being loose or the chain tension, sometimes it's actually just the rear sprocket or even the front sprocket. So just make sure you take that off, check it out, do what you gotta do. But let's get back more about that in another video, and let's get back into the stunting. Let's go. Alright, so we're at like about 79, 80 volts. I was actually riding this thing a little bit before, so that's why it's a little lower than 84. Oh yeah, when this thing's fully charged, it charges up to 84 volts. Right now I'm just kind of cruising out, going slow, letting this thing warm up a little bit, even though it doesn't really have to. Oh yeah, but when this thing is like pretty much dead, it goes down to about, I usually stop around 65 volts, but some people can go a little lower. And like if you're going low speed or something like that, you can see that it's not much of a draw when you're going like 5-10 miles an hour. Wait a minute. Oops. Alright, let's put this thing in too, see if it looks good. It's been a minute, rusty. Oh jeez, these pants are not good for this seat. Oh jeez, I'm like sliding everywhere. I'll get some. Let me point the camera down so I can show you guys what the bike's doing. Oh, almost went down though. Let's see if we can do some sit downs, because the stand ups are just no way now right now. Bad one. Jeez. The brakes on this are so tight still. I'm not trying to just do power wheelies. This thing is so crazy. It's so hard to find the balance point. Woo! Oh, almost went down, y'all. That was close. Come on, we can do it. It's so hard on these little angled ribs. Slow down. I can't see. This helmet sucks. I can't see. I gotta get better at this helmet. Is this one you? Check. Switch this thing back to two. I just gotta get on the straight one. I can't do this on this weird angle stuff. Uphill wheelie. Starting. Oh, let me put this back in too. Let me get up this. I actually gotta pee. I don't want to like spill out. Gotta jump right into this thing. I'm scared. Just getting out of sight. Again, I'm good. It's hard to figure out the timing sometimes. It's so fast. It's not like a 4-stroke or a 2-stroke where it's just like it's just so fast. It pops up immediately. Especially these little tiny tires, definitely makes things a little more difficult. Alright, I hope that was enough for you guys. Showing you guys what this can do. I need to work on my stunts a little more. It's been a couple weeks. But you guys know this thing can stunt. It can really. Another video, I'll do some burnouts. These tires are getting kind of skimpy. I don't want to waste them quite yet. So until next time, y'all. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, do everything what you gotta do. Just make sure you come back.